Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Shivali. I make beauty, hair and skincare related to videos, and thank you so much for dropping by. And in today's video also, first of all, I know I disappeared long back, and I've been posting I think maybe after 2 months, but nevertheless I hope I will be back on schedule, and I hope I will be back on track. And I really want to start by creating a very dewy but at the same time very colorful eye look. So I created this look. Basically I like this look and want to know what all products I used and how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm just going to prep my skin by using this raw home essential distilled rose water. You can use anything. You can use your primer, you can use your moisturizer, you can use anything that you have. I just felt like giving that pick me up situation sort of thing. So I'm just using this rose water. Rose water is not something that you are only going to use when you feel very dehydrated, your skin feels very dehydrated, but it also acts as your primer also if you use it underneath your face. So next I just got this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation in the shade vanilla, and which I think it's very light for me, but I don't know, it looked totally okay to me on when I saw it online. But let's see how it goes, and let's see what we can do to make it our own skin type color. So I'm just gonna take, I don't know how it is, but it says full coverage, so I'm just gonna take a little pump, not too lot, not a lot, but somewhat good quantity so that it can cover up my entire face. I am just going to lay it on my face, and it is a lot lighter. I need to work something, do something with this to make it my own color. Let's see what we can do. Coverage though, it's sort of like full coverage. Actually it's like full coverage. It's a lot lighter actually. I feel like a ghost, like literally a ghost. It's very matte. It has already set on my face like in like no time. So let's just blend this. To give a little bit of the warmth to my foundation, I added another shade which is from Clinique Anti-Blemish Solution, and the shade is Fresh Neutral 03. That's because that other NYX foundation was too white on me, so I didn't feel like using it entirely, so I just used a few drops of this foundation to give my skin a little bit of warmth. Now for the concealer, I'm going to use this Take Cover Concealer Cream Buff from PAC, and you might have seen me using this in my last video also, I think. I'll just link it down below. I am just giving it a nice amount only to the inner corner and then just to the center of my face. I'm going to buff it with the brush and then gonna go ahead with the blender. You can use anything that you like, you feel comfortable with. Now I'm just gonna go ahead with the blender to blend everything nicely. You can already see the PAC Take Me Back concealer is very full coverage. It just sets into your crease lines very quickly, so you have to be very quick while blending it so that you can set before it sets. Actually, that happened with me for the very first time when I used it. I didn't know that it's totally gonna be matte and it's gonna set like before you know it, and I had to struggle a lot then. But I use the product, you get the hold of it, and then you can go ahead and then apply and blend before it gives you any hard time. So now since my base is all blended, I'm just gonna set my base with a loose powder. You can use a loose powder, you can use a compact or whatever, or you can use a translucent compact, whatever you have, whatever you feel comfortable with. I like loose powder because when I am using a coverage like foundation and concealer, I don't like to add another coverage, so I like to go for a loose powder. And for today's, I'm going to use this Mercier, which is one of my favorite. I don't think I have loved any another one other than Clinique. I love the Clinique one also, but this one is like another end, so like this has no match. I'm just going to apply it here, and I'm not gonna bake it. I am just applying it and a little bit to the smile lines also. And I'm just going to push it inwards so that it gives you a blurred and seamless under eye area, but at the same time it won't dry you out. I'm going to apply it on the temples of my forehead to give it a little bit of warmth, and then here, and maybe a little here. Now I'm just going to push it to my hairline. I'm just going to bring it, just like buffing it, not like going in circular motion, just buffing. And here I'm just going to my entire jawline. We will blend it in a moment, and then going the same here and blend it nicely. Once we are done giving a little bit of dimension to our face, I'm going to bronze up even more by using this L'Oreal bronzer in the shade 102 Harmony Bronze, and this is my favorite bronzer. I tend to use another bronzers, but eventually I just come back to this one because it's very pigmented and it gives you a very natural bronzy look. So this is something that I really like. I'm just applying the foundation. I am just putting the product to the areas where I need. Same to the forehead and same to the jawline. Once I'm done, and then I will blend. So now for the blush, I'm using this blush from Color Bar in the shade Coral Bliss 014. That's the shade. I am just going to take it and apply it. I'm just going to apply first and then gonna blend it. Highlighter, I am using this loose highlighter from Artist Couture in the shade Conceited. I'm in a fluffy brush actually. So I am just going to take it and I'm just going to apply it. Of how you can go with the loose highlighter, you can go crazy, you can go extremely subtle, and you can use it as your shadow. You can use it as liquid highlighter by mixing it in your foundation, and it will give your entire face a beautiful glow. So to the cupid's chin, nose, or wherever you want to highlight. I already filled in my brows by using this Goose Proof product from Benefit in the shade 5. Now we're just gonna move directly to our eyes, and to give a transition shade, I'm going to use my same bronzer from L'Oreal. So you know the drill, right? So you have to apply it, you have to start applying it from the outer corner, and you have to push it in, go to the crease, blend, and just keep on blending. You keep on taking the product and keep on blending, that's all. But you go in circular motion, in small circular motion, so that you don't go crazy with the color. Also keep on taking the color in a very small amount every single time, so that you don't just keep on depositing the color every single time and it gets very hard to blend. And keep on diffusing the color as much as you can and just blend it nicely. Now I'm just gonna repeat the same to my another eye. I've done by contouring our eyes, and you can totally leave it like this, and you can go ahead apply the shimmer shade and you're good to go. But now I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful mustardy sort of color. I have a different place for this sort of color in my heart. Like literally I love this color, and I am just going to deposit here to the outer crease, to the outer corner, and just keep on bringing the color to the lid, and then we'll blend. You keep on taking the color and you keep on blending. I just love how the color is. I just love this color. I'm just going to go ahead. a bright color to my eyelid. And so I'm going to use this line tattoo from liner from Maybelline. I'm just gonna give it a little wing to my eyes, and I will be back. I stopped in between while I was doing my eyeliner. This is such a beautiful eyeliner. If you are a beginner, it's like a very pointed, very sharp, but very stiff. And you know, if you're a beginner, it's gonna work very easy for you. It's gonna make your life very easy because it is gliding on very easily and very smoothly. So if you're a beginner and you have a trouble in making a wing, then this is highly recommended. So for the mascara, I'm using this super lengthening mascara from Forever 52, and let's try how it goes, because this is one of the drugstore formula, because this is drugstore, and you all know I love my Maybelline, and then I like L'Oreal. And let's see how it goes and how it performs. But I really heard really good reviews about this mascara in particular. Let's see. Okay, so I think I like this already in one go. It has given a very nice fanning sort of effect to my each and every lash. It's coated every single lashes very beautifully. I'm just gonna give some time to this lash, and I'm just gonna apply it to this side, and then we're gonna go ahead with the second coat. I think I found the better drugstore formula. Can you see how gorgeously it has given my lashes a beautiful length and volume? Okay, this is beautiful. I look over the lashes, it has given a beautiful length, and it has coated each and every lash very perfectly. So I really like it. Just gonna use this Rene lashes, and I'm going to use my Miss Clear waterproof glue. This is one of the best glue if you're looking for a budget friendly but at the same time the quality should be equal to Duo. Then I think this is the one that I highly recommend, like literally highly recommend this one, and you won't regret it, trust me. It comes in two shades, one is white, another one is black. You can go ahead and buy whichever you are comfortable with. Mustard sort of color, I'm gonna apply it to my lower bottom lash line to give a complete look. I'm going to use the same mascara to my lower lashes also. To apply this blue kajal, you can go ahead with any your favorite white, blue, black, brown, or whatever color that suits you the best. I'm just gonna go ahead with this blue kajal from L'Oreal. I'm just going to apply it. I'm using this Color Bar Sinful Matte and in the shade 16 Strip. It's a very beautiful nude, but at the same corally sort of nude. So that's it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I love filming it after a long time. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I really wanted to create this very dewy, but at the same time very summery sort of color. I just didn't want to go for a very regular, all that browns or that earthy pinks or all of that sort of color. I really wanted to go for a very bright sort of color. And I just wanted to create this look and also wanted to come back so that I can come back in a regular routine. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.